Hello everybody, and welcome to another Postbag video. Today we have just one package, so should be pretty quick. Although I think I know what's in here, so we may actually test it as well on this video. So I was really amused at this package. I've of course scribbled out all of the address, but the other area, that's part of the address from where it came from in China. I was kind of amused at that. Anyway, let's slice this open and see what we have. Oh, I just threw something on the floor. Let's see. What do we have in here? What we have in here is a little AC adapter. Alright. Let's see what else we have going here. We have another AC adapter. Oh, with a couple of little barrel power connector to terminal jacks. That's nice. Of course, they were supposed to come in this. And then, sorry headphone users, all this crinkly is probably unpleasant on the ears. We should have 2 spools of warm white LED strips. So, let's just unpackage these real quick. Ooh, they smell like methyl ethyl ketone. Interesting. So, we have actually some very nice nice looking LED strip here with the 50/50 warm white LEDs. Rather nicely done power connectors on the end there. Very, very shiny copper between the 12-volt sections on the strips. Let's see. I'm just going to reach over here and find my screwdriver. It's buried somewhere here on... Where's my screwdriver? Oh, it's way over there. BRB. Oh, way across in the living room. What is it doing over there? Alright, let's grab a small flat blade here. And I'll just quickly open the contacts there. I'm gonna also grab these. I'm gonna make these the ends on these leads just a little bit longer here. We're just gonna quickly test this LED strip. Ooh. Alright, positive and negative. Hopefully the colors are appropriate here. Actually, I should probably check the alignment on... yeah, it looks about right. Now, let's plug in one of the power adapters. Into the power strip that I have handy down here. Oh, it's got a nice bright green LED showing that we've got power. Ooh, that's kind of bent there. I'm not too happy about that. But before we plug the lights in, let's see what the open circuit voltage on this power supply is. Normally these are positive center, so let's go ahead and do that and that. 12.28 volts open circuit, that's not bad. Now, let's go ahead and plug it in. Alright, that's... I wouldn't really qualify that as warm white. That's more of a cold white to me. Yeah. Not overly thrilled with the color there, but nice even lighting there. Looks like it's lit all the way around. I won't check all 5 meters here on camera. But I'm just going to pause here briefly and swap out to the other one just to test it, and I'll be right back. Alright, so quick jump cut there just to prepare this off camera, and we'll quickly test the voltage on the second power supply. 12.36 volts, that looks good. The second power supply, the barrel isn't bent. On the first power supply, the barrel is a little bent. And let's plug it in and see what we've got. Again, a little colder than I would expect from warm white LED strips, but acceptable for what I'm going to be doing. However, this is interesting. It looks like there's a failure in this strip. Oh yeah. Okay. That's not good. I'll have to contact the seller about that. That's no good there. Bad connection in the LEDs there. Yep. I might be able to fix that, but still gonna contact the seller anyway. So, let's go ahead and unplug this, and I'll show you the seller. 5 meter LED light strip, 5050 SMD IP65 waterproof. That's all true so far. 12 volt 3 amp power supply. That seems to be true. Oh, there it goes. Although it's very lightweight, so it's probably a very cheaply built switch mode power supply that probably doesn't have great isolation, so don't use it for anything that might be sensitive to AC leakage. Plus DC adapter, that's this little thing. So you get a selection of warm or cold white, and for some reason, there we go. You can also select whether you want waterproof or not. Of course, there we go, yes or no. And you can also order either US, EU, or no power supply. With the power supply, $11.01 for 5 meters of LED strip. Not a bad result, except for the break in the cable on this one. So I'll be contacting the seller on that one and getting that resolved. But thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, click here to subscribe, and also maybe click the bell icon that's down there somewhere to get notifications of new videos. I'll put a video that YouTube thinks you find interesting here based on your watching habits. The Postbag playlist will go over here, and right here will be a link to my Patreon if you'd like to support me with a couple of bucks here and there to help me buy more things for more projects and more Postbags. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next time. Bye-bye.